Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is currently about 10 a.m. Starting the vlog a little bit late today. Brendan is already gone to work and I miss him. We had breakfast and I had a big cup of coffee and just got some work done. I'm super excited because I just ordered like an at-home photo studio, like the big like stand with like a black backdrop, because I already pretty much have a white one since I have a white sheet and it pretty much works the same. And I'm so excited. I've been feeling really like creatively inspired recently, and a lot of that has like translated into photography. Like I've never been a photographer, but I've just like really been interested in it lately, and I love doing like self-portraits and everything. So I'm really excited to like do more in that area, and I'm so excited to like set up a little photo studio at the apartment and like be able to take little photo shoots and everything. So super excited about that. Same kind of day today. We've got I'm working from home, Brendan's at work, and we're going to have a heavy deadlift workout today. So yeah, if y'all want to follow along on another simple day in our lives, just keep watching. I think we might go to the grocery store, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So enjoy.
Hey guys! Welcome back to the Gains channel.
The most important thing is I want to show off my makeup because it's cute today.
Oh my god, because that's the most important thing in the world.
I had Instagram vote whether I should do hot pink or royal blue for my eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. So I did royal blue and I think it's real cute and I'm very happy with it. So sorry if I was looking up here. I'm looking in the viewfinder so I can see myself. Anyways, okay.
Did you point out my haircut in their last video?
No.
Oh, you didn't? That's so funny. Alright, check how she fit. Check how she... Here, you can probably do it better.
So, okay, first of all, my friend Sophie is a hairstylist, okay? And his last haircut, he went to her. Then he was like, I don't feel like making an appointment and like paying the extra that it is for her.
Well, it's extra money and I'm broke.
So he goes to, first get me in the clip. So he goes to Sport Clips.
So mean.
And these ladies, like, I'm sorry if you work at Sports Clip and you're a great hairdresser, I'm sorry. But this lady did him dirty. Like his fade literally is like,
Can you see it?
Do you see the line?
No,
it's
this side, this
not
side's
a
worse.
fade. This, oh my god, this side is so bad. I don't know if you can see in like the lighting, but do you see it just like right here? It just like freaking stops. It makes you look like
a muffin.
Hitler or something.
I don't know about that one.
But it's bad. And she did him so dirty. And all I'm saying is that I would spend the...
Are you heated?
All I'm saying is that I would spend the extra few dollars and just go to Sophie, because one, she's my friend and she needs the support, and we should support her at sophie.jade.stylist. Follow her on Instagram.
Men don't go to salons.
And two, yes they do.
Whoa.
And three,
real men.
And three, your hair looks dumb, so you should have gone to her.
She made me feel so bad when I got out. She was like, "What is wrong with your hair?" And I was like,
because she did you so dirty. I mean, it just like stops. Okay, I'm sorry. Anyways,
that wasn't the point of the vlog. Anyways, we are headed to the gym, but we're not going to Crunch. We're going to Muscle City Barbell because we have heavy singles today, and we're not deadlifting with bumper plates because it's just trash. So we're headed to Muscle City Barbell. It's about 20 minutes away. We got some heavy singles. We got 3 sets of singles today. Holly's doing 225. I'm doing 565, I'm pretty sure. And then, you know, we'll see after that. But other than that, we just gotta go sign up, get a 2-week pass. We're gonna be there this week and next week, because next week we're maxing.
Yeah.
I'm really terrible at getting you in the shot. I'm sorry. I just don't know what my problem is holding this. Do you hate me?
No.
She hates me. But yeah, well, that's what we'll be for the next 2 weeks, so we'll keep you updated. Just got done shopping. Gains. Those are gains. Gains. Actually, half the stuff in here isn't gains, it's just fat stuff.
Okay, so we just got back from the grocery store, and I'm not gonna do a whole grocery haul because I literally did one last week, but I wanna show you a couple things that we did get that we don't normally get. First are these old El Paso nacho cheese stand-and stuff tortillas. These things are so freaking good. If you haven't had them, you need to have them. And what's great about them is that 2 shells is 17 grams of carbs versus 1 carb balanced tortilla, like the soft tortillas, is 19 grams. So you get like literally double for less carbs. And then I got some Reese's Puffs and some Fruit Loops because I was feeling like having some fun cereals for breakfast. And then I've heard a lot of my bodybuilding friends talk about the Fairlife milk. And I'm lactose intolerant, so normally I drink almond milk, but I wanted to give this a go because it has, let's see, in 1 cup it has 13 grams of protein, which is really, really good. This is the fat-free one, so that's the one that I decided to get. And like I said, it's lactose-free, so it shouldn't bother my stomach or anything. What else should I get or show? I've also been really craving queso recently, so I got the Tostitos Hint of Lime chips, and then I got the Tostitos salsa con queso in medium. This stuff is so freaking good, so I'm really excited to eat that. Got some Kodiak cakes just in the buttermilk. I normally like to get the buttermilk and honey, but Publix didn't have them, so that kind of stinks. And then for dinner one night, we got lobster tails, so we're gonna have shrimp and lobster tails one night, which I'm super excited about because I freaking love seafood. I say freaking a lot. I need to stop. Okay. Anyways, so Maxie, jeez, he almost just literally like ate shit. Anyways, Brandon is ravenously eating some fried chicken.
Mine.
That's probably the most disturbing thing I've ever seen. All right, so we're having fried chicken and mac and cheese because I didn't eat enough earlier today, so I've got a lot of macros to catch up on. So we're gonna eat some food, and yeah, I have some work that I need to get done. I'm sure he's probably gonna play some computer games, and we're gonna be chilling. We'll keep you updated.
No.
It's the end of the day, and we don't really have anything else to film, so we're gonna wrap up the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What should they do if they liked it?
I don't know, be happy.
What do I say at the end of every video?
Click the link. Or...
You are not very good at this whole YouTube thing.
Well, I don't really listen to you, so.
Okay, fine. Give it a like down below.
Yeah, that thing.
And if you want to see more from us, click that big red subscribe
Maximus says
button.
bye.
Maxie boy.
Maximus says bye.
No, okay, all right. Follow all of our socials down there below as well, and we will see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Boing. Boy. I knew it.